Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're out here taking another look at that Poulan Predator I was working on. Did some porting on it. We built this crazy custom, amazing welded exhaust. I've got this Timorn tack. Picked this thing off of Amazon. If you guys want to get one, I have a link down below to it though. Just gonna see if we can kind of tune this carb up a little bit better and get this running just a little bit smoother than what it's been. Just threw a brand new chain on it as well, new Oregon, so when we're done we'll make a couple cuts with it, just see how it's performing, but this is just what's on it. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe. This will be in the playlist for the Poulan Predator playlist. So you could see the build up to this point, the shorts, anything related with just this saw will be in that Poulan Predator playlist. So anyway, let's fire it up. Let's see how this tack looks, and let's go from there. Gotta figure out a way to get this camera locked down so I can make some adjustments and not be going all over on me. Spice that up a little bit. I think we're supposed to be able to go back through and take a look at this tack, so let's see here. Got her running at about 11,000 full throttle, running at about 8,400 in the cut. Not sure if that's good or bad yet, but we'll find out, right? Might be running a little too hot, but let's see here. Max RPM 11,760. That was just wide open adjusting that carburetor. I think I want to bring that down though a little, see if I can get it down to like 10. I wasn't sure if it would show me like the in the cut. So here it throws a warning when you hit 7,500 RPMs. This thing is new. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with this tack exactly, what I can do with it. But alright, so it gives us our max. Let's see if we can bring that back down a little bit. So we're gonna fire it up, we're gonna readjust that. I want it to be, when I got that wide open, I think I want to be down at like 10,500 RPM or so, just under 11. It says the saw maxes out at 14,000 RPM, so we don't want to be at max. I'm open to your guys' input though. Anybody that tunes this stuff, plays around. I mean, it's a small saw, right? We're not gaining a ton here. Just playing around, having some fun with it. So, you got some input, you know, where it should be tuned or where we should be at, feel free to comment, guys. I'm open to that stuff. Your comments help drive the video as well, so I do appreciate it. Let's see what we can do here. Oh boy. Well, that's where we're at with that. Heard some guys say we could put some different carburetors on these, so we may play around with that in the future. And just kind of see. We're still at like 11.5 for max RPM on that run. I did dial it down, but I don't think this tach will readjust. This kind of shows you where you're running. But yeah, I don't know, guys. Just another video fooling around with the Poulan Predator 2150. Now I've got another Poulan. It's just a Poulan 2150. It doesn't say Predator or anything. We may port that one even more, do a different exhaust on it, just to fart around between the two. I've got a whole mess of steel saws we got to rebuild though. Just my own personal saws. We got these guys and those guys. Stuff I've gotten for cheap or free off people that, you know, or they're just blown and fried. So we'll be fixing up a 271, MS 271 out of those first. I got a new top end for that, but I don't know. Either we'll port the other Poulan or we'll be doing that 271 next. Not quite sure yet, but let me know what you guys think. Looking for some input. Appreciate y'all watching, and have an awesome day.